Hey my lovelies, welcome back onto my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full birthday transformation glam for this my amazing client, and I want you all to see the process together with me. Tell me what you think about the look. So now I'm actually moisturizing the face using my having thermal water to set the face ready for the makeup. And yes, the eyebrow area, that's just to mattify that eyebrow area to reduce the slipperiness of the to ensure that actually the eyebrow gel sits properly on the eyebrow. And went ahead, used my spoolie to comb them out, and now I'm using my flat foundation brush or defining brush to apply my concealer. It's the LA Pro Girl concealer, 2 shades lighter than a skin tone under the eyebrow area. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I went ahead and blended it out on the crease area using my blending brush. So on the upper side of the eyebrow, I used a shade lighter than a normal skin tone on the upper side of a eyebrow, and at this point I'm trying, or actually I'm ensuring to follow a natural hack, or the natural eyebrow hack, so as not to so as to create a nice eyebrow. You need to follow a natural eyebrow hack. So I did the same thing, pretty much blended out the foundation, the concealer right there, and the face is all the white substance there. It's the eyeshadow primer for the eyeshadow to stay. And now I transitioned with that brown color there, blended out, and to create the hack on the corners, on the outer corner of the crease, I am using those that lilac or purple color to create my hack on the outer corner of the eyes. Yes, so and to ensure that these colors are actually seated properly, you have to be patient blending. I always emphasize on that. Sometimes the process can be pretty messy, but trust the process, because the end always justifies the means. If you just trust the process, you would always be glad at the end. So now I went ahead and used my Plouise acid, Rumor Hole 1 base to cut that area that I just applied the orange shadow on. And I'm going ahead to blend out the outer part. If you take a close look, you see that I'm blending the outer side. So now to cover those lines, the joinings from the orange and the other purple color there, I'm using another lighter shade of brown to blend in and cover those corners. It's a no-no to allow those joinings, the demarcations of the two colors to show. So now I'm actually cleaning the residues, the foundation, the makeup residues on the face, to apply the primer. So primer is all set, and now it's time for foundation. So applying the foundation, you have to, in order to make that foundation sit on the skin properly, you remember the method is to always tap on the face, tap, and don't rub or use, whether you're using your brush or using the sponge, the best way to apply is tapping. So now to create the highlight, I just used that's my Juvia foundation to create the highlight under her eyes. So the other steps are pretty much as it is. The eyeliner, just applied the mascara before I'm applying right now the eyelashes. Okay, now it's time for the contouring of the face, the shading. So what I used there is a darker foundation to a skin tone, and I applied it on the cheek area and on the nose area. That's what I just used to contour those areas now. And on the eyebrow area, I'm actually highlighting that portion using my Sephora pigment palette. So now to mattify the under eye area, I'm using my powder or my pressed powder to mattify that area. And for the glow, I just used my Sephora glow palette on the chin, on the nose, and on the lip area. I always like to highlight that lip area too before applying my lipstick. So because already the eyeshadow is kind of shouting a little bit, so I went ahead to use a light color pink, a baby pink actually, so as it doesn't so as not to come out too shouting. And yes, I used my wine pencil to define the outer side of the lip. So in order to create that glossy look and effect, I applied my Pupa Milano clear lip gloss on the lip to create this glossy look. So now under that eye area, just to complement the upper side of the crease, I used the color on the outer side of the upper crease under the waterline area. And now, yes, just using my powder to set the face. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now the final touch is using my Sephora setting spray. And voila, this is the finish look, guys. What do you think, guys? Kindly leave your comments in the section below, guys. Let me know what you think about the look. And yes, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe, and also do not forget to hit on the notification bell so that when we put up a new video, you will get notified. Thank you guys for watching this today, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now and stay blessed.